Hi, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I'm here before you once again to share my happiness, to share my joy, to give you peace in your hearts. Because life as we know it is so short. I am here to encourage you this beautiful Sunday morning. I came to the riverside. For those of you who've been following me, by now you should know that this is one of my favorite spots. I get so inspired in this environment. Hi, my name is Esther. I am before you once again, totally happy. Thanks for giving me your time. Thanks for giving me your attention. As we grow in this journey together, I want to say thank you for being here. Guys, I've been talking about going within. I actually left the house because, first of all, to walk down, which is very healthy. Secondly, to find this serene environment where I can share my inspiration with you this morning. Guys, this is an environment where I don't intend to say that you should always go to the riverside. No. You can do this in your own closet, in your own room, on your own alone. You don't need any company. I came out here secondly because I have a full house and I can't really, by the time I want to calm down the noise, I will be all over the place with my head. So I came down here to just sit. I have a friend over there. Can you see that? I'm actually not alone. The only thing is I forgot to bring some bread for these birds out here to feed. But all the same, I'll remember that next time. Guys, life is precious. Life is worth living, especially when you begin to think of others, especially when you begin to know that your purpose in life is bigger than yourself. When you begin to realize that what you have to offer to others doesn't come from you, because you can't make it all up yourself. There are things that add up to even prove to you that you are exactly where you're supposed to be. Guys, I'm here right now to tell you, because I've been mentioning go within and find that space in yourself to get in conscious contact with the one that created you. And that's why I'm here. Happy to be here because right now, in this very moment, I have no worries. I don't care about what's going on in the world. Even as the rain is dropping on me, it's such a blessing to be alive, to experience that at this moment. This is a serene environment where you come in contact. If I was not making this video, I would have been very, very quiet and sit here for about half an hour just to be filled up with the oxygen in this space, filled up with life, so that I can be a better person. We are created to be human beings and not human doings. Guys, do not be caught up in the things you do, thinking that your importance, your worth, your value in life is based on what you do. No. You be that first, then you are able to give to others. You become something better, then you begin to see that you have so much more better things to give others. Because I tell you, if your cup is not full, you will have nothing to overflow to others. That is the serious truth. So guys, this day, whatever you are doing, if you didn't go to church, if you didn't have any gathering with fellow faithful ones, get in your closet. Meet your God. Meet your source within. Meet the higher power that is within you. And just rest there. You know what? If that is all you do, it's enough. Okay? If that's all you do, it's enough. I'm so excited because a lot of people did not even see this new month, this 1st of November. Gosh, I wouldn't have been here myself. Remember? So why not? Why not even sit here and just enjoy the noise of these still waters? the bird flying behind me there, I just appreciate all of that. I just appreciate all of life. And I tell you guys, there are a lot of messages that I would have wanted to post, but I believe the timing was not right. But this is the time when I'm going to be coming to you with very important messages from my heart. From my heart. So the purpose of this video is to help you recognize that wherever you are at, find moments so many times in the day, if you can, to go within. We always talk about happiness being our business, happiness coming from within. But you really have to know some things to harness that happiness that is within you. Guys, I'm so happy. I will spend the rest of the maybe 20-30 minutes here before I go back. The little bird is there, maybe waiting for me, maybe wanting to tell me something. But you know what? By the time I begin to just stay quiet and watch that bird, I will come up with something bigger, something I did not know before I came to this spot. Whatever you do, guys, I just want you to have a lovely day, okay? Take it easy, rejoice, make peace with yourself, make peace with your fellow men, and just appreciate life, okay? If that's all you do today, your God will be happy with you. Take care. That's it from me right now. Esther, once again, your girl before you. Much love. Bye-bye.